Councilmember Trayon White doesn't think so either, saying, quote, "This young man has been through enough. We need to make sure he graduates and assist him in securing a college scholarship." In Congress Heights, Delia Gonsalves, WUSA 9.
Now, Speaks will meet with a homeless legal advocate tomorrow to discuss his options, but he's still hoping to get back on the football field at Ballou, a place that he considers home. All right, home is where the storms are tonight, huh?
Yeah, you know, we have one more day of Florence, and then as far as we're concerned, the metro area, she's going to be gone.
Be done.
Bye, Felicia? Bye, Florence?
Bye, Florence.
Something like that.
Get out of here.
So, again, a yellow weather alert for tomorrow for one more day of showers and storms, and then a little bit of a change.
Okay.
We're kind of like the change.
We like change.
It's going to be warmer
today.
and dry. It's going to be warm and dry. That's pretty good. In the meantime, this is radar over the past hour, and we have another line of showers and storms from Charlottesville working their way up essentially the west side of I-95. All the watches in terms of severe weather have been canceled, but I think some of these could be heavy overnight, so keep that in mind. If you hear the rumble of thunder, that's what we're talking about. We'll zoom in a little bit, and really once you get from Quantico south to Fredericksburg, big thunderstorms. Rainfall rates 1.3, 1.4 inches per hour, and this is moving up toward Dale City, and essentially will move up I-95 in the next hour or so. So in terms of rainfall for the next 48 hours, which really translates into the next 24 hours, the RPM is pretty aggressive, over an inch. Other than that, the models are 3/4 of an inch or less. And I think unless you're in a big thunderstorm with a heavy downpour, it'll probably be more like a half an inch. But the flash flood watch continues until 4 a.m. Tomorrow morning. All right, so river flooding. This often occurs after our rainfall, and no exception here. So first we're going to start Harpers Ferry. Flood stage is 18. Looks like it's going to forecast to be about 15.3 noon on Wednesday. That's not a huge deal, so no flooding Harpers Ferry. But as we work our way south, flood stage is 15 in Edwards Ferry, forecast to be 17.2. That's considered moderate flooding, also noon on Wednesday. Down toward Little Falls, flood stage is 10. It will crest under that, 9 feet, noon on Wednesday. And down toward Georgetown, flood stage is 6. It's forecast to be 6.9 noon on Thursday. That will mean moderate flooding there. Temperatures going up, 83 tomorrow, 85 on Wednesday, mid-80s Thursday, and then upper 80s on Friday and mid-80s on Saturday. That's pretty nice, actually. Okay, headlines. Well, yellow weather alert tomorrow, showers and storms. Remnants of Florence finally clears out by tomorrow afternoon, and then warmer and dry and nice Wednesday and Thursday. So the threats tomorrow: thunderstorms, keep that moderate, heavy rain, moderate, hail and tornadoes low. I don't think we're going to have the instability or the shear that we had today for tornadoes tomorrow. 6 a.m., a couple of showers possible, temps in the 70s, even by 9 o'clock, isolated thunderstorm possible, and then a kind of a break by 1 o'clock, and then tomorrow afternoon, a line of showers and storms could roll through east of 95. They could become heavy down toward southern Maryland. So, yellow weather alert on Tuesday, 83, 85 on Wednesday. Looking at 84, just gorgeous on Thursday. And even on Friday, we're looking at temperatures in the upper 80s, almost hot on Friday, mid-80s on Saturday. Burgundy and gold can redeem themselves. Low 80s, isolated storm, and then Monday, a lot of showers and storms return.
All right, well, they had a tough day yesterday, really tough day.
Yeah, we're going to, of course, the Redskins, they lost, and then there was also another record that ended as well. Yeah, we're going to talk about that. We're also going to talk about one of the Redskins' brother, Vontae Davis, who decided to leave at halftime. We'll talk about that.
This is my town.
I grew up here.
I love it here. The people are my people. You up?
I'm up, bud.
Traffic, weather, news, and me. Get Up DC, weekdays at 6 a.m., where the news and laughter are real.
It's time for you to take charge of the stuff you really want. Be your own deal boss.
Deal boss!
From phones to drones, humidifiers to hair dryers, sneakers to speakers.
Deal boss!
Follow us. Facebook.com/Deal
boss!
This will be the first manned mission to land on the moon.
Neil, if this flight is successful, you'll go down in history.
We're planning on the flight being successful.
The entire world's watching.
5, 4.
We need to fail down here so we don't fail up there.
3.
We've got this under control.
2.
You're a bunch of boys. You don't have anything under control.
1.
First Man, rated PG-13.
progress is confidence in chaos. Innovative safety and driver assistance technologies like Audi Presense, found in the Audi Q7. Get an exceptional offer at your local Audi dealer.
I'm ready to crush AP English. I'm ready to do what no one on my block has done before.
Forget that. What no one in the world has done before.
All I need is access, tools,
connections,
high-speed connections.
Is the world ready for me?
Through Internet Essentials, Comcast has connected more than 6 million low-income people to low-cost, high-speed internet at home.
I'm trying to do some homework here.
So they're ready for anything.